So I've got this EG6 CIVIC behind me. Pretty old actually when you consider the age of these things now. It's in for some heavy paint correction and a couple of other bits and pieces. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going around and restoring the trim work. Now a little detailer's trick on restoring trim work. What I mean by that trim work is like your black plastics and things like that, very common on modern cars. They usually go very grey very easily. Some modern cars do it more sooner than others. So look, this is just a quick tip on how us detailers bring that luster back to those black trims. Now, you can't do this all the time and you can't do it on every plastic trim, but it's worth a shot because you don't need a lot of equipment or any special chemicals to do it. Ignore the paint for now, but what I'm talking about is this plastic trim here. So you see how it's very oxidized, very gray and not very dark looking? Well, here's the trick to get it nice and dark. You need to get yourself a heat gun. This is a very, very cheap heat gun. And you basically very carefully heat up the plastic to a point where it brings oils to the surface, and then it will be nice and uniform. I'm going to speed this up and probably put something else over the annoying noise that a heat gun makes. You can see that is looking a lot better than this section here. So I'm going to go ahead and also, when that cools down, put a trim dressing on it, but that brings that luster straight back up, brings the oils to the surface of the plastic, and makes it look a hell of a lot better than this faded, crappy looking section here.